The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County in southwestern North Carolina, Clay County in southwestern North Carolina, Pope County in East Tennessee, southeastern McMinn County in East Tennessee, southern Monroe County in East Tennessee, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of town of Santitla to Narita, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Andrews, Murphy, Ducktown, Hayesville, Etowah, Tellico Plains, William L. Davenport Refuge, Tusquity, Coker Creek, and Violet. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Sweet.